Nadan sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Good evening, sir.
Good evening, sir. Good evening. Good evening, Sagal. Good evening.
Good evening, sir.
Visalakshi.
Good evening. Good evening, Anuj.
Dr. Visalakshi.
Sir, good evening, sir.
Good evening. Good evening, Sagal. Okay, thank you, Sagal, for your reports.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
I think a weekend, only 35 participants now.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Still joining, sir. Participant.
Okay, ma, okay. Amrita, madam, how are you?
Hello, sir. Fine, sir.
Fine, ma, fine.
Okay, sir.
Venkatesh, sir. Good evening.
Sir, very good evening, sir.
Good evening, ma'am. Good evening.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Sir, can I share the screen? So let me check whether everything is okay.
Please, ma'am, go ahead.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. Sir, another 2 to 3 minutes, we will start, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Kindly wait a few minutes, sir.
Okay.
Thank you, Professor. Thank you. Thank you, Manavan, sir. Yes, ma'am. Your screen is visible now.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Kindly wait a few minutes, madam. Couple of minutes. Nathan, sir.
Yes, sir.
Shall we start the session?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Good evening to one and all present over here. Respected resource person of day 4, Dr. S. Vishalakshi, Professor, Computer Science Department, Sikkim Manipal University, Head of the Department, Science and Humanities, Computer Science Engineering, Dr. B. Nathan, Department of AIDS, Dr. L. Muthuvel, Dean Academics, fellow faculty members from Dani SciTech, and all the participants and professors from various institutions. You all are welcoming for the day 4, 5 days FDP online, generative AI, trends, tools, research and education sector. Last 3 days, the research person completed and covered the area, industrial applications and cinematic field of the AI. The second resource person completed the research findings for the AI tools. Third resource person deliver the lecture towards the what are the trends, especially teaching learning process towards the generative AI. Today, fourth day, the eminent professor, Dr. Vishalakshi Madam, delivering the lecture towards the generative AI, what are the trends, tools available in the research aspects. This 5 days program especially focusing for the academicians for the research benefits and teaching learning benefits. I hope you all are enjoyed the last 3 days. Today the Saturday weekend, our eminent professor delivering the and complete the process of the today's lecturing through the generative AI. So tomorrow final FDP day, you all are requested to join and complete the process with an effective manner. On behalf of our management, on behalf of School of Computing Technology, Dani Tech, on my own behalf, I pleased to welcome Dr. S. Vijayalakshmi Madam to deliver the webinar to the faculty members. Warmly welcome, Madam. Thank you for accepting our invitation and grace this webinar. Thank you. Thank you all. Jai Hind.
Thank you very much, sir. Thank you very much. Before we move on to the session, I will introduce our resource person, Dr. S. Visalakshi, and she is an accomplished academician with over 12 years of teaching experience, currently serving as assistant professor at Sikkim Manipal Institute of Technology. She holds a PhD in computer science from Avinasilingam Institute for Home Science and Higher Education for Women, specializing in data mining, image processing, and computer networks. She has published 7 international and national journal papers, 3 book chapters, and 1 book, along with multiple conference presentations at prestigious IEEE and Springer forums. Her research contributions include machine learning applications, water contamination detection, and solid waste management. She has also contributed to administrative roles, faculty development programs, and academic committees. She has received the Best Paper Award at IEEE ICCIC 2017, and it is actively involved in mentoring PhD scholars. Additionally, she has delivered talks and webinars on AI, cryptography, and network security. She has also secured patents in IoT-based healthcare and smart waste management, and continues to explore multidisciplinary research areas. And he is going to deliver today. The topic is AI in industry and real world applications. Okay, thank you, sir, and thank you, madam. Please, I will hand over the session to Dr. S. Visalakshi.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. Ma'am,
Thank
please
you.
go.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Thank you so much. So, first of all, I want to thank you for the management to giving me such an opportunity to deliver the topic in AI. So it is one of my current research area where we are focusing, and like as Nathan sir stated that we already filed one patent. So it's like it's a very different experience, and thank you so much. So let me go for a presentation. So as principal sir already stated that you people already understand about what is AI and how it is all working and all. So today we are just going to discuss something about what are the topics. I'm just touching about the various thing. So let me start. So actually, like artificial intelligence nowadays, it is transforming various sectors. We cannot tell that this sector, that sector. In various sectors, it is drastically, it is changing. So let me see what are the applications now it is going on. So before I'm going to introduce about the various applications, whatever available. So let's see little bit small introduction about what is AI. So AI, as you all know that nowadays, like a human, how the robots, say for example, Sophia. So it can able to solve any issues, right? Learning is possible, decision making is also possible. That's why they given a citizenship to the Sophia. So likewise, the AI is nothing but it is changing various industries, and it is giving a different scenario where the human being can able to predict or deduct also. So that is a simple introduction. Let me go to various types of AI. So as you all know that AI is there are various types of AI is there. Okay, so it's like narrow AI is there, general AI is there, super AI is there. So is it my slide is visible, sir? Hello.
Yes, madam. Please,
Yes, ma'am. It's possible.
Okay.
please put
Thank you
it
so
in the
much,
full
sir.
screen. But that is better for us.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Fine, sir. Thank you, sir. So it's like so types of AI. If you see like narrow AI is there. So this is a diagram which it is playing just automatically. So basically, this narrow AI is specifically they developed and they designed for a specific task. Say for example, Siri, Alexa, Google Assistant. So like that only this narrow AI is working. When it comes to a general AI, so like how the human being, how we are thinking, how we are making a decisions. So in the same way that the AI also can able to do, but when it comes to super AI, so it is not even a human, more than a human, it can able to take a decisions, it can able to give accurate results. So that's what the super AI is working. And nowadays, the generative AI, they are focusing according to this particular type, that is super AI. Okay, so as of now, we just saw the various types. So now we are just moving to various industries like healthcare, finance, retail, manufacturing, education, and transportation. So let's we see about the healthcare. Okay, so nowadays, like there are various tools are available. Say for example, the healthcare, early detection is very important. Say for example, if it is a cancer, so if they are identifying in an early stage, so not only the cancer, various diseases are there. We want to diagnose as early as possible. So with that only we can able to stop the death rate. So this AI nowadays it is playing a very major role where they can able to detect the diseases as early as possible. And robotic surgeries are nowadays it is very much popular because as you all know that like a human being, robot can able to precisely do a surgery. So it is giving a accurate precision. So that's why robotic they are just inculcating in the surgery areas and all. And the next one is personalized medicine. So in a personalized medicine, if you take like nowadays there are a lot of tools are available where we can able to exactly like go ahead with medicines whatever they are suggesting. So we can come across lot of tools are also available where it can exactly suggest some sort of medicines. Next comes the chatbots. You all know that even the Google AI is doing lot of stuffs. So virtual assistant is also there, chatbot is there. The last one is predictive analytics. So this is very important when it comes for diseases. We want to predict how this particular disease is going to be prolonged. So based upon that, they can able to go for some sort of some other alternative treatment so that they can able to prevent that particular patient. So in all these ways, AI is playing a very big major role. That's all about the AI in healthcare. Next comes the finance. So here nowadays, like even in every day-to-day life, we can able to come across a lot of newses. We are hearing that so much fraud is happening. So with the help of AI, what exactly they are
Hello,
doing?
ma'am.
Sir?
Madam, your screen is not moving. The slides are not moving.
Oh, is it, sir? Okay, sir. Sir, 1 minute. 1 minute, sir. 1 minute.
Okay, ma'am.
Thank you so much, sir. Like
Welcome, ma'am. Welcome.
that's what I just asked, like whether mine is visible or not. Okay, sir.
Screen is
So,
visible, ma'am, but the thing is that it is now it is in presentation mode.
okay,
Yeah,
sir. Okay,
It's
sir.
okay,
Fine,
madam.
sir.
It's visible, madam.
Okay, sir. Is it okay, sir, now?
yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Thank you.
It's okay, madam. Okay.
Okay, sir. Okay. Like if anything is there, please let me know, na, sir, because I like. Okay. Okay, sir. Okay, fine. Thank you, sir. Thank you. Yeah. So coming to a finance, finance, you all know that it is very important nowadays when we are going to work with the this thing finance and all. So due to the cash transactions whenever we are doing, we must ensure that there must not be any sort of fraud is happening. So they want to identify, say for example, Mastercard, Visa and all, they are using for fraud prevention. So fraud detection and risk analysis, not only for the cash transactions, it might be applied for the credit cards, it might be applied for identifying the theft, right? So money laundering risk is also there. So likewise, there are a lot of applications of going ahead with the fraud detection and risk analysis. Once it comes for the this thing like AI powered trading and investment strategies. Say, for example, I want to predict what is the current market before I'm investing. So, in such a cases, we need some sort of tools where it can able to analyze the trends of the market. So according to that, it must project if I invest, how much will be the profit I will be getting, or might be I must invest in some other industry. So it must have some sort of analysis, and it must provide some sort of strategies to our customers. So say for example, I want to invest in stock market like JP Morgan or Lockme, whatever it is, hedge funds are also there, banks are also involved in all those process. So the predictive analysis for trading and investment is very, very important before we are going for an investment. When it comes for the customer support and chatbot, so in a customer support and chatbot, like every time the human being can't able to answer for all the queries whatever the customer are raising. So 24/7 we need some sort of virtual assistant where they want to respond to the customers inquiries or whatever the transaction they got struck, or some sort of financial advisors. So likewise, we need some sort of chatbots to interact with the human in 24/7. So for that, we can use some sort of virtual assistants or some sort of for a banking services also. And even nowadays, in all applications, if you see, like chatbots will be there where it will interact like a human being. So likewise, there are a lot of applications are there. So we are going to use some sort of NLP techniques to train the model so that it can able to answer the customers inquiries whatever it is coming. Next, when it comes to the credit scoring and loan approval, right? So first we want to evaluate first before, say for example, I want to invest in banking or fintech firm, whatever it is. So first I want to have a clear idea what are the financial process I want to do, how can I prepare a loan applications. So all those things must be done with the help of some sort of tools. So that is what. So these are the various area where AI is playing a major role in finance applications. Now next comes the AI in retail and e-commerce. So in AI and retail e-commerce, so one has, you all know that like Amazon or a Netflix, even in the Flipkart also, we are purchasing a lot of stuffs in a day-to-day life. So whenever you're going for a next time purchase, automatically it will recommend you to buy such products. So same way this personalized recommendation system, again, we need the organization, they must understand what is the behavior of the customer. So they want to do some sort of analysis. So for that reasons, we can have a recommendation system. That is one thing. And second one is, as usual, chatbots for customer support. As I already previously I discussed, that is very, very important because it must exactly provide the services to the customers like 24/7. So in that way, they are using the chatbot for customer support. And next comes the AI driven inventory and supply chain optimization. So here, if you take, say for example, like Walmart is there, Zara is there, where they are using the AI for forecasting the inventory, and even in a supply chain management also, they are using this particular AI to predict exactly what will be the trend, and how I can automate all the inventory, whatever I'm doing for the organization. So in that way, now the AI is helping for retail and e-commerce people. Other than that, also there are a lot of applications out there, like you can able to for apply for the image recognition is there, and dynamic pricing. So all those things will comes under the retail and e-commerce. The next comes the very important thing, that is manufacturing industry, manufacturing and industry 4.0. So as you all know, that nowadays smart factories are emerging, and automations we want to do. Say for example, nowadays smart homes are there. So I want to check my fridge from my office, or before I am moving to office, I want to switch on all the ACs and all. So that is all the smart home and all is coming. Smart city is emerging. So everywhere they are going to deploy this AI, robotics or an IoT sensor to exactly produce the accuracy level and safety measures. So all those things where they are using the AI. So with that, they are trying to reduce the human intervention, which will be in turn helping them for a cost saving and efficiency. Say for example, Tesla is there, Siemens are there. So these are some of the AI driven automation tools where they are using for the manufacturing and all. Okay, and next comes the predictive maintenance. So when it comes to the predictive maintenance, say for example, I want to predict the exact failures, what might happen when I'm going to develop machineries. Okay, so before we are going to do some sort of manufacturing, I want to predict how it will be, so where I want to cut down my costs. Okay, so likewise, you can have a predictive maintenance, so that you can exactly predict whether machine failures before it is going to happen, so that you can reduce the downtime, and you can have some sort of prediction for the repair cost and all. So for that and all, how they are doing is they are just going to deploy some sort of sensors. With that, they are going to analyze exactly, with that they are going to predict. So that is how the AI is playing a role in predictive maintenance. When it comes to the AI powered quality control, so here they are just using this AI for the computer vision, so that they can exactly detect and defect if any problem is coming in production and all. So that is all there, and with that AI tools, they can able to ensure whether they can produce a good quality of products and reduce waste and all. Even now we are working with the smart waste dustbin. So there also we want to exactly identify like what sort of things we can able to deploy, so that we can able to reduce the defects. So in such a way, this AI is playing a role in powered quality controls. Other than that, where they are using for a supply chain management and all, and then the human robot collaboration is also there, where they are trying to increase the workplace safety and all. So all these stuffs they are using in AI manufacturing and industry 4.0. And next comes the AI in education. So in AI in education, so if you all see, like it is a nowadays you all know that the students are trying to learn lot of new technologies through online mode. So the AI tools, how they are using is they are trying to learn or analyze the student pattern. So based upon that, they are just adopting some sort of learning styles, how they are doing, then what is the strengths. So with that, they are going to provide a customized content, so that the students can able to easily understand like whatever they want to focus is. And this AI tool they are applying for various quizzes and exercises for each and every individual progresses. Say for example, having a Khan Academy and Dingley, which are all the personalized lessons where they can utilize and they can improve their knowledge. So in that way, this AI-driven personalized learning is working. When it comes for the automated grading and assessment, as you all know that nowadays, so nowadays we are all working with a like online mode where I want to take some sort of assessment. So I can use some AI tools where it can automatically generate some sort of quizzes, assignments. Even nowadays the PPTs are also available. So based upon that, they can do some sort of assessment, so they can evaluate easily the assignments, quizzes, and even they can reduce the workload for the teachers, so that we can get an instant feedback from the students. Okay, so for this and all, they are using the Google AI based auto ML. So basically it is an automated grading. With that you can easily evaluate all the assignments, because when the students are submitting the assignments, we cannot go through one by one, and easily now the contents are available through online, so they can do some sort of copy paste, and also to instead of going through line by line, we are having a tool like AutoML where you can easily assess all the assignments in a one go. So that way we can use for grading and assessment. And next comes the virtual tutors and chatbots. So in virtual tutors and chatbot, like there are various AI tutors where it can able to assess the students to clear up all the doubts, whatever they are having. Even it can provide you the explanation about the concepts if they are not that much clear about the concepts, whatever they are getting in online and all. And this is also helping for problem solving also. Okay, say for example, chatbots provide 24/7 support for all sort of learning assistance. If you go through some sort of Microsoft AI powered education tools and all, they will be having a chatbots where whenever the questions is raised, automatically it will provide you. Even when I'm learning some sort of online thing, Microsoft tools and all, so I will be asking the query, immediately it is providing a solution. So IBM Watson is also there. It is a tutor where the students can able to ask any doubts, so it can provide you a clear explanation about what is the content. And also in that way AI is used in virtual tools and chatbots. So the next comes the AI in transportation and smart cities. So here, like as you all know that it is self-driving car is not available still now in India, but still in many countries they are using this self-driving car, and it is used by the AI. So where you can able to assist the navigation. So we are having in that particular self-driving car and all, if you see, it is an autonomous vehicle where it will be fully connected with all the sensors. It has some sort of computer vision technology. So with that, it can able to drive automatically without any help. So we want to give suggest a source and destination. So it will take you to the destination wherever you are going to give. So in that way, the AI is using, and this AI based thing is they are using for a navigation purpose also. Say for example, I want to have a clear picture about what is happening in the traffic. So I can able to identify the shortest path. So in that way only the AI self-driving cars and all, it will analyze before it is going through any route. So that way the AI is used for route optimization and all. Okay, so all those things are there in self-driving car. When it comes for the traffic management and urban planning, so here what they are doing is they are going to take some sort of patterns. Okay, like say for example, it will take around 1 year or 1 month. It will analyze a pattern and it can able to predict at what time the conjunction is going to happen. So how I can optimize all the signals, and how the effectively they can able to manage the road traffic. So like that this AI is used. And also same way in smart city also, where they are using the AI for helping for the people like urban planning is there, infrastructure development I want to do, so that is also possible. So for all these things they are using the AI traffic management and urban planning. Say for example, Google DeepMind is there, and IBM AI is there, where they are using for the smart traffic control in major cities. So that way they are using AI in traffic management. And next comes a very important, that is a public transport optimization, where they are using AI to improve the bus or a metro or a train scheduling timing. So based upon the passenger demand, it can able to provide you a clear chart, and with that they are having a clear planning how they can able to schedule their train, schedule their buses and all. And this AI is also used for some sort of safety and operational efficiency, where it can able to be like a monitoring system, where it can able to identify some sort of safety measures, so that it will help them to take in a right path. Say for example, like Singapore AI is totally powered with the AI, where they are having a smart metro system. So in the smart metro system, if you go to Singapore, so you don't need to worry about the traffic and all. So it will automatically tell you which route you want to take, which will be safe. So it will be clearly specifying the plan before you're going to start your process. So likewise, even Uber is there, where Uber AI base is there, where they are using for a ride sharing algorithm. They are deploying so that they can provide the clear details to the drivers, where they can able to take the route. So rightly route optimization is also done with the help of AI. So these are certain revolution is happening when it comes to the transportation and smart cities, so that they can able to improve some sort of mobility. They can able to reduce the congestion if more is there, and they can able to optimize some sort of public transport, so that they can enhance the sustainability. So likewise, AI is playing a different roles in AI transportation and smart cities. So next comes, this is so as of now we discuss about the various industries where AI is taking a lead. Now future of AI, this is very important. So as you all already studying something about the generative AI and IoT. So now these are all the trends where they are focusing more on the sustainable development. So that is what they are trying to, as I told you, like smart cities and robotic surgeries. So likewise, now the AI is taking a different version, so that they can able to achieve a more accurate result compared with the existing applications, whatever as of now we are having. So this is all about the future of AI. So conclusion about the AI transforming industries, like you all know that it is there. Healthcare is already they are using a robotics, as I already discussed. In finance they are using for a prediction and fraud detection they are using. So retail, manufacturing, education, so all these application now totally AI is playing a very big major role. And what are the challenges? Still we are facing a challenges, even though AI is taking all these things, but still we are just facing a lot of challenges, where you can do a research under all these challenges. It can be a data privacy. Still now there is an issue in data privacy. We can't able to store huge volume of information, because we are all put every information in cloud computing. So then we can't able to provide how much security. And the AI is always having a bias. As you all know that AI will predict, will detect, but still bias is happening then and there. Even for example, when we are working with the smart dustbin what we deployed, what happened is we clearly deployed the sensors and we developed a smart dustbin, but still when we are getting an input from a day-to-day life, so somewhere the bias is happening, because our project is like this. Actually our project, we work in Kathmandu Valley. Where in Kathmandu Valley, if you see, like in the cities, the dustbin clearance is all there. But when it goes to the inside villages nearby that, the corporation not reaching there. So what is the issue raising is the diseases are all increasing, and that particular Kathmandu Valley is totally affected with a lot of diseases. So to overcome that, we planned and we deployed a smart city. So when we are deploying, we come across lot of issues. The data sometimes it won't come inside, and whatever the data we are receiving, it won't be accurate. So a lot of bias is there. So we applied some sort of deep learning algorithm. With that, we fix it up, but still bias is there. And next comes job displacement. So again, as chat bots are all there, so that is a job displacement only. But how accurately the chatbot will give you the answer, still no, that is a very big question mark. And so likewise, there are a lot of challenges still there in the AI. So my kind request to all the people over here is, if you decided that I want to go for some sort of research, please address all these issues so that it will be helpful for the society as well as a country. Because as you all know that AI is taking a lead. Like it's like what to say. Now, if you take an example of the Sophia, so Sophia can able to understand like what we are, right? So like it can able to decide, it can able to answer for a number of questions, but how accurately? So that always been a question mark. So these are the challenges where you might be facing when you're going to work with the AI. So that's all. I'm concluding with that. AI still, there are a lot of areas are there, but the transformation happened in almost all industries like healthcare, finance, retail, manufacturing, education, transportation. So all these areas already it is at most occupied, but still the challenges are there. That's what I put forth here for you people, so that you can further, if you are planning to go for a research under AI, please address all this issue. So that's all about my side. So thank you so much, sir. Anybody, if you want to ask any questions, please.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you.
Yes, sir.
Thank you, ma'am. Participants, from your side, any queries? Madam clearly briefed about what are the AI application, especially smart city, logistic and transportation and finance sector, how to use the chatbot and generative AI and other revolution of AI. So the participants kindly interact with the resource person, Dr. S. Vishalakshmi Madam, please. So nowadays, both the government, especially government of India and Tamil Nadu government, taken a lot of initiative for the AI revolution. So last 2 days back, also the Prime Minister Modi ji interact with the Trump related with the AI application related with the industry, healthcare sectors. Tamil Nadu government also taken an initiative for a AI hub installation very soon at Coimbatore city. So dear academicians, kindly interact with the resource person. Anything else towards their research or teaching learning process and other applications. I hope you all are understand the madam comment.
I'm just happy to if there is no query, I thought of discussing something about the project what we are going. So
Okay.
so that still, because I'm having another 20 minutes, so that I can explain about the project what we are working. So but let me if anybody want to ask query, please. I'm waiting for the query. Like say for example, few people, I just discuss all these applications. But still you might be having a thinking how I will start my research, where I want to start my research, because starting research is fine, but how I will go ahead, and a lot of people are having a lot of queries. So if you're having any doubt, I'm here to answer for all your queries. Sir, let me wait for another 5 minutes, sir. If there is no query, then I thought of sharing my research in smart city or waste management that I'm working, sir. Is that okay, sir?
Okay, ma'am. Please go ahead, ma'am.
Okay, sir. So,
Please
like,
share your research, ma'am.
yes, sir, yes, sir. Because, like, I'm waiting for another 2 minutes. So, if there is no such query, I thought of discussing about the research what we undergo in Nepal.
Okay, ma'am. It is more helpful for the faculty team, ma'am.
Exactly, sir. So that's what, like,
The real-time applications.
yes, sir.
It is project applicable at Kathmandu.
Yes, sir. Yes,
Smart
sir.
city.
We already implemented, sir, and it is already in a deployed place, and we are collecting the data set, sir. Actually,
Okay.
basically the application what we worked is, sir, like, as I already told that in Kathmandu there is no corporation interior. Like in our places also, if you see, sir, the other than the corporation area, the people won't go and collect the waste from all these people, right, sir? So the same way in Kathmandu, they are facing a lot of issues where the corporations are not coming forward to collect the dustbins. So that's why we've taken that particular Kathmandu area, and we just deployed one smart dustbin. So that what we did is, basically, I'm just sharing my the like project what we have, so that it will be giving you a clear idea. 1 minute, sir. So till now, anybody is having a query, please, I'm ready to take up your queries.
No,
Ma'am,
madam, you can proceed, madam. You can proceed with your project.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Thank you so much, sir. Sir, I'm just sharing my screen. 1 minute. Somebody is asking a query. May I take the query? Yeah, let's see. Okay. So everybody is asking for the work, what we are doing. Yes. So basically, this is, sir, is it visible, sir, at the other end?
Yes, madam. Yes.
Yes, sir. So, like, this is what the topic what we are currently working, like optimization of municipal solid waste collection and transportation routes by using a geospatial technique, which will be supporting an artificial intelligence algorithm. So basically, this is how the Kathmandu Valley will be, sir. So basically, like, this is our places where we just went and directly we saw how the people are suffering. So with that only we just chosen that particular Kathmandu Valley, and this is the framework what we adopted. So say for example, like, we are having all the existing waste collection points. What we did is we want to develop an application where we want to give that app to the corporation people. So in that app, they can know where that particular dustbins are all filled. So in that way only we just develop one AI based, we call it as a VRP solver. So in that, if you see, this is a proposed work what we did. So what we did is, so we just collected all the existing collection points and wherever all these things. So we just having a road network data set, and based upon that, we are just going to develop a optimized collection and disposal route so that it will be helpful for them. So this is the area where this is a total framework. So we are having a dustbin where we are planning to place in all these places, and if you see, these are all the dustbins where we placed and the data is all coming as of now. So the problem what happened is we are ready to deploy, but as you all know that it is an IoT based sensor smart dustbin, so where we can't able to place in different places. So what will happen is we placed in one particular place. With that dustbin only, we are just collecting all the real-time data. Say for example, we will be deploying all the sensors. So in the sensors, what will happen is once it reaches the particular border line, so that sensor will give an indication to that corporation people with the help of the app whatever it developed, so that they come to know which way that particular dustbins are all filled, so that they can go directly and they can take out the collect all the dustbins. So this is the app plus the dustbin smart dustbin where we developed this art. So as of now, we are having only one dustbin, but this is the whole framework where we are working now. So we are having all the sensors based dustbin we are having here. So we are having a waste collection application, which will be again given to the corporation people. So what will happen is we, based upon the dustbin, we are going to collect all the data, and we will be sending to the application, and that application will indicate in which place that particular dustbin is filled, plus it will tell the route optimization path also, so that the person, they can take a shortest route, they can go directly, they can come back. So this is how our project is working. So what we are doing is we are just collecting all those data, and we are just applying some sort of AI algorithms so that we can able to give the exact routing to the particular corporation people. So this is how our framework is working as of now. And this all the things we are all collected with all the GIS, so that we won't have any interruption in incoming data. And with that, the data will be collected and it will be given to an application. That application will identify exactly how the dustbin storing and all. With that, the waste collection process is doing in a better way. Now, another, this is all as of now, we completed everything. But the issues what we faced here is like when we are collecting a data. So sometimes what happening is the data, whatever we are collecting, as I already told, it is a real-time data set. So when it comes to a real-time data set, the challenges what we faced is obviously, like as you all know that when the real-time data set is there, some missing values will be there, outliers will be there. So we want to pre-process everything, and as usual, how we will train our algorithms. So the same way we just train our system, and now as of now we completed the whole project. So it's we already published 2 papers in Scopus Index Journal, and 1 we are in progress, plus we completed the patent also. So this is all about the research work where currently we are focusing, and as of now we are going to complete also. So thank you so much for sharing my research and not our research. So any doubt in this where I want to explain you more, if you people ask me, then sure I will be helping you to how to go ahead with the research. Any queries?
Thanks a lot, ma'am.
Okay, sir.
Really wonderful for your research field about the smart dustbin and for the purpose of smart city.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Really
Thank you so
amazing.
much, sir.
Thank you for your insight, ma'am.
Thank you.
Okay, sir.
Thank you. Some of the participants are mentioning something about our college also. So, Dr. Manavalan I from Trichapalli, he is the professor. Dr.
health and safety environment, HSC consultant advisor. He is telling the participation for progress. Amazing presentations are made in the international webinar on generative AI trends, tools, and research techniques. Is really useful and highly productive and resource speaker. Is well competent personality. Immense thanks to the research speaker Dr. S. Visalakshi, and a huge thanks to organizers DAIT, the Danish Technology Institute of Technology, Coimbatore. Thank you, sir. Thank you, Professor Dr. I. Manavalan. And some other all participants also, they are sending some message to us for thanks. Thank you very much. Thank you very much, madam. Thank you very much. It was wonderful presentation as well as your project presentations. Any questions, please be asked to this madam.
Nathan,
Yes, sir.
can you proceed the vote of thanks? Manoj, are you ready
Yes,
for
sir.
that?
Yes, sir.
Kindly share the feedback to the
Yeah, sure, sir.
chat.
I will share now.
Nathan,
Yes, sir.
proceed.
Yes, sir. Thank you very much, madam. Thank you very much. The today is the day 4. Your topic is, and in AI topic which is relevant related to the real-time applications and industry, and also you presented the very good presentation as well as the very good your project, and which will be maybe happy about it, and it will be very useful for our faculty members. Thank you very much, madam. Thank you very much. The feedback form link will be coming to soon to the the box. Thank you very much, madam. Thank you.
Yes, sir. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much. And a special thanks to Nathan sir, who considered me to be a part of this faculty development program. And I grateful for that, sir. Thank you so much, sir. And once again, I thank Tanish, where I already visited personally, but still, again, you people are giving me an opportunity. So once again, thank you so much for the management principle. And once again, thank you to Nathan sir, and thank you all to the participants. So please, as you all know, that AI is emerging, and it is having a very good area where you can able to focus on research. So please start your research in AI, flourish, and thank you so much, sir. Thank you all.
Thank you, madam. Thank you. Thank you, Nathan.
Thank you, sir.
We will meet on tomorrow evening, same time, 6 o'clock.
Okay, sir. Okay. Thank you very much. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you. Happy weekend to all. Thank you. Manoj, shall I leave the meeting?
Yes, sir. You can leave the meeting, sir. I
Okay.
shared the
Thank you,
feedback.
sir. Thank you very much, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, Nathan. Thank you, Sagul, for YouTube live aspects. Thank you, Manoj, for the
Thank you,
wonderful
madam. Thank you,
follow-up.
sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, Nathan. We will meet and join the meeting tomorrow evening,
Sure,
sharp
sir.
5:45.
Sure, sir. Thank
Yes,
you.
sir. Sure, sir.
Okay, sir. Sure, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Manoj, one more time feedback போட்டுருங்க.
Yes, sir. Shared, sir.
Manoj sir,
Yes, sir.
sir, please send the feedback to my through mail, sir,
Through mail. Okay, sir. Wait.
because I will share to YouTube live session.
Okay, wait a minute, sir. ஷாவுல் சார் மெயில் வந்துருச்சா சார் ஃபீட்பேக்?
சார் வந்துருச்சு, இந்த தான் ஷேர் பண்றேன், வந்துருச்சு.
ஓகே சார், ஓகே.
சொல்லுங்க மனோஜ், என்னது கூப்பிட்டுருந்தீங்களா?
சார் யூடியூப்ல ஒரு 73 பார்ட்டிசிபென்ட்ஸ் இருந்தாங்க, அவங்களுக்கு ஃபீட்பேக் சார். அதுக்கு வேற மாதிரி.
ஓ, யூடியூப்ல இன்னைக்கு 73யா?
ஆமா சார், யூடியூப்ல தான் இன்னைக்கு அதிகமாக வந்தாங்க. இதுல 99 தான் வந்தாங்க, அதுல இன்னைக்கு அதிகமாக வந்துருக்காங்க. இன்னைக்கு தான் மேக்ஸிமம் நம்பர் ஆஃப் பார்ட்டிசிபென்ட்ஸ்.
ஓ அப்படியா, ஃபேண்டாஸ்டிக்.
ஆமாங்க ஆமாங்க.
ரைட் ரைட் ரைட். அப்புறம் நாளைக்கு இதெல்லாம் பண்ணிட்டீங்களா?
நாளைக்கு இது அனுப்பிச்சிட்டாரு சார், போஸ்டர் சார் அனுப்பிச்சிட்டாரு
சார். நாளைக்கு என்ன சாகுல் சார், நாளைக்கு யூடியூப் லிங்க் எப்படி?
ஓகே சார், நான் வந்துடுறேன், 5:30க்குலாம் வந்துடுறேன்.
இல்ல எப்படி சார் வரேன்னாரா?
எந்த சார்
ஸ்ட்ரீமிங் பண்றதுக்கு?
நான் கால் பண்ணி கேட்டுக்கிறேன் சார், ஒன்றும் பிரச்சனை இல்லை. லாகின் பண்ணிட்டு
எப்படி பண்றதுன்னு கேட்டுப்பாங்க
சார்.
எப்படி பண்றதுன்னு கேட்டுப்பீங்கல்ல?
நான் கேட்டுக்கிறேன் சார். 88 பார்ட்டிசிபென்ட்ஸ் சார் யூடியூப்ல.
88ஆ?
88.
ஓகே
ஓகே சார்.
ஓகே சார், நான் லீவ் ஆயிடுவா?
ஓகே சார், லீவ் ஆயிடுச்சு சார்.
ஓகே சார், லீவ் ஆயிடுச்சு.
ஓகே, தேங்க்யூ சார்.
தேங்க்யூ.
சார் இன்னும் ஜஸ்ட் ஒரு 5 minutes மட்டும் இருக்கும் சார். ஏன்னா சிலர் வந்து ஃபீட்பேக் நம்ம என்ட்ரு பண்ணுவாங்க. Good evening, participant. We will close the session. Thank you. Tomorrow we will meet the session. Thank you. Thank you so much.